Back in 2017, astronomers spotted something unlike anything they had ever seen before. A strange elongated object entered our solar system, cutting across the void from interstellar space. It was moving at incredible speeds, its path unlike any comet or asteroid ever observed. At first, researchers assumed it must be a comet, but there was no glowing tail, no vaporous outgassing, nothing to mark it as such. Others thought it could be an asteroid, but its acceleration defied the laws of physics. This mysterious visitor was named Oumuamua, a Hawaiian word meaning scout, or messenger from afar, and from the beginning, it lived up to that name. It shone with a strange reflective gleam, its body long and cigar-shaped, and as it passed near the sun, instead of slowing down, it sped up. Comets accelerate when ice vaporizes into gas, but Oumuamua had no such signs. The anomaly forced scientists into heated debate. Some believed it was a fragment of a shattered planet from some distant star system. Others suggested a phenomenon we had never seen before. But one voice dared to speak a possibility that unsettled the world. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb proposed that it could be artificial in origin, perhaps a probe sent by an advanced alien civilization, propelled by a solar light sail. It might have been designed to travel across galaxies, studying worlds just like ours. Then, just as suddenly as it appeared, Oumuamua slipped out of reach. Humanity had no spacecraft fast enough to chase it, no technology ready to intercept it. It vanished into the blackness, leaving behind only questions, and a haunting sense of opportunity lost. Years passed. The world moved on. But in the quiet corridors of observatories and research centers, scientists never stopped wondering. Was Oumuamua truly a one-time visitor, or was it part of something larger? And now, against all odds, it has returned. Astronomers have detected a new object entering our solar system, moving along a trajectory nearly identical to the one traced by Oumuamua. At first, they thought it might be coincidence. But then more objects appeared. Not one, not two, but several, each with the same long, reflective shape, each accelerating in ways no asteroid or comet ever could. They were not tumbling chaotically like random rocks. They were moving in formation. This time, humanity is prepared. Governments, space agencies, and private companies have united in a race unlike any before. NASA is drafting plans to launch a rapid response probe. China has announced its own mission to intercept one of the objects, sparking whispers of a new space race. The European Space Agency is considering modifying an existing craft to get closer. And SpaceX, Blue Origin, and other private players are being pulled into classified discussions behind closed doors. Elon Musk himself has declared this the most important discovery in human history. But urgency cuts both ways. If these objects vanish again into the cosmic abyss, we may never know the truth. Yet if they are more than they appear, approaching them could carry risks we cannot even imagine. What unsettles scientists most is what the new data reveals. Unlike comets or asteroids, which follow predictable gravitational arcs, these objects appear to be steering. One even altered its trajectory slightly after being scanned by deep space radar, as though it had noticed the observation. If they were just lifeless debris, why would they react? Speculation is mounting. Some theorize they are probes, part of a network of ancient machines seeded through the galaxy to monitor emerging civilizations. Just as we sent Voyager 1 and 2 carrying messages of who we are, perhaps another intelligence did the same millions of years ago. But others whisper darker possibilities. What if they are not simply observers? What if their return means that whoever sent them now knows we are watching back? The most chilling revelation yet came when astronomers traced the projected paths of the objects. Unlike Oumuamua, which slingshotted away into the void, one of these newcomers appears to be curving inward, adjusting its course toward the inner solar system. Toward us. Governments are treating this not as an astronomical curiosity but as a potential global event. Intelligence agencies are quietly briefing leaders. Military officials are debating whether to treat the objects as threats. Leaked reports suggest that officials cannot even agree on what they are, natural, artificial, or something stranger still. And so the question grows heavier. If these are just bizarre interstellar fragments, then we are lucky witnesses to a cosmic phenomenon beyond imagination. But if they are not, if they were crafted by intelligence greater than our own, then humanity stands on the edge of first contact. Are these visitor scouts? Are they watchers? Or are they heralds of something far bigger waiting beyond the stars? For now, the world can only wait. The objects move steadily closer. Scientists scramble to keep pace. And a single question echoes louder with every passing night.